If you've ever tried to send a video on Telegram using your Android phone and found it just wouldn't go through, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes to get your videos sharing smoothly again. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to check and what to tweak to solve the problem. Let's dive right in. The most common reason videos fail to send on Telegram is actually pretty simple. Your internet connection might be misbehaving. Even if it seems like you have enough bars, your connection can drop out just long enough to interrupt an upload, especially with larger files. So the first thing to try is switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Give each a chance and see if one provides a more stable connection. In my experience, sometimes your Wi-Fi signal looks strong, but the actual data transfer is crawling. To be sure, try running a quick speed test. Just search Internet Speed Test in your browser, tap the first result and check your upload speeds. If they're under about 1 Mbps, that could easily explain why the video gets stuck. Don't stress if the speed is low, sometimes just moving closer to your router or waiting until off-peak hours can help too. Next up, we'll clear the Telegram cache. Think of the cache as a junk drawer. Over time, it collects temporary files that can get corrupted and cause strange issues like failed uploads. To give Telegram a fresh start, open the app, head to Settings, then tap on Data and Storage and then Storage Usage. Here you'll see the option to clear entire cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your chats or important files, it just removes those temporary, unnecessary bits. This step is surprisingly powerful for fixing odd glitches. If the problem still isn't solved, let's try the classic approach. Restart your device and the Telegram app itself. It might feel too simple, but restarting clears out background processes and network hiccups that might be silently interfering. Just close Telegram completely, swipe it away from your recent apps, then power down and restart your phone. After it's back on, open Telegram and try again. Alright, let's check the video file itself. Telegram has a strict maximum file size, 2 GB per file. If your video is longer than a movie trailer, it could easily creep past this limit. Look at the video details in your gallery or file manager to check its size. If it's too large, you'll need to compress or trim it. Telegram gives a built-in compression feature. When you're picking the video to send, tap the little settings or slider icon near the send button and lower the quality setting. Think of it like squeezing your suitcase to fit more clothes for a trip. If you need to trim the duration, you might want to use your phone's video editor or a free app like InShot or CapCut. Occasionally, the problem is just the format. If Telegram doesn't recognize the video type, try sending it as a regular file. Tap the paperclip icon, choose File, and select your video from the file manager. Recipients will be able to download and watch the video even if it doesn't show as a normal preview. Now, let's make sure your Telegram app is up to date. Open the Play Store, search for Telegram, and tap Update if it's available. Outdated apps are more prone to bugs and compatibility errors, so this is a super important step. Also, check that permissions are set correctly. Telegram needs access to your storage and camera in order to attach and send media. Head into your Android settings, tap Apps, look for Telegram, then open permissions and make sure storage and camera are enabled. Another thing, battery optimization features on some Android phones can restrict Telegram in the background, which disrupts uploads. In your phone's app settings, tap on Battery and select Unrestricted for Telegram, or whatever your phone calls it. This just tells your device, hey, let Telegram do its thing. And finally, if nothing else works, reinstalling Telegram fixes deep-seated glitches. Uninstall the app, restart your device, then reinstall Telegram from the Play Store. All your cloud chats will come back, but note that any secret chats will be lost. And there you have it. Try these steps and you should be back to sending videos with no hiccups. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical tech fixes like this. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Telegram videos.